In the realm of beauty, there's a spooky secret hidden in plain sight: talc. This seemingly innocent silky powder may lure you in with its soft touch, but beneath its surface lies a chilling revelation. Talc is a mineral with a sinister side. It's often found in cosmetics and powders, masking its unsettling truth. Talc has long been associated with concerns. It's suspected to be contaminated with asbestos, a known carcinogen. The thought alone sends shivers down the spine. Applying talc-based products can lead to a scary tale of respiratory issues when its particles become airborne, posing risks that haunt your health. The horrors don't end there. Legal actions and lawsuits have arisen, linking talc to health nightmares. It's a cautionary tale indeed. But fear not. At Morrocco Method, we've rewritten the beauty narrative. We invite you to step into a realm of purity and safety. Visit MorroccoMethod.com, where talc and its chilling tales are unwelcome. Here, you'll find only wild-crafted, pure, natural, and nurturing choices for your hair and skin. This season, let us banish the specters of talc from your beauty routine. Together, we'll embark on a journey towards healthier, toxin-free beauty. Morrocco Method, where every day is a treat without the tricks.